Is your 2022 Nissan Kicks key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool and a new CR2032 battery. First, gently insert the tool into the small indent or seam on the edge of the fob to pry it open. Be careful not to damage the internal circuit board. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery, noting which side is up. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up, ensuring it clicks into place. Snap the case shut firmly and test the remote. If it doesn't work immediately, proceed to the next section for resyncing instructions. Use a non-conductive surface to avoid static electricity discharge. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, you might need to resync it with your Nissan Kicks. While inside the car, hold the lock and unlock buttons on the fob simultaneously for about 5 seconds. This should re-establish the connection between the fob and the vehicle. If this doesn't work, check for any corrosion on the battery contacts inside the fob. Clean gently with a dry cloth. If problems persist after these steps, it could indicate a faulty transmitter or an issue with the vehicle's ECU. Consider consulting a professional, as transmitter replacement can cost $50 to $200. Remember, DIY fixes save money, but professional help might be needed for more complex issues.